So I will just, right now you are seeing, IoT is a big jargon probably, for yesterday. But today I think it is a small building block. So it is a game of playing building blocks. So you can start with a small and you can extrapolate that as your industry needs. So I am talking about, I will take one example of pneumatics and, usage of a compressed air in the industry. And I will give some examples related to that. But before going to that, I want to share one thing related to the technology. Normally, I am seeing, if any technology comes, people are having some apprehension, and this is because of three things. One is they are not aware of the technology. Second is they are bothered about the cost associated with that and return on investment coming for that. And third one is a support. And I think the dignitaries on dais, they explained that, the support structure is already available there. And industries like us are also, willing to help MSMEs, for the technology front. So before starting my presentation, I want to tell a very small story. This story started in early 70s about the technology. One company imported a computer that time. And they started, collecting the information related to the customers. Do you know this company? Anyone? The first Indian company who used supercomputer for maintaining customer data. Very good. So you guys know that they adapted this technology, and only because of that technology, they are number one paint company today in India. MSMEs, they were, very small that time, when they started, when they imported, the computer first time. So same thing, for the IoT solutions, you guys can start now, and that can give you, mileage afterwards. This is, I'm talking about the pneumatics used in the industry. Different industries, used compressed air, and the usage is also very different. But I have seen, most of the places, including my own factory, where I was asking maintenance guy, how is our performance on air leakage? And they said, no, our company is not having any leakage. So we are zero leakage compressed air consuming, applications. When we measured, we were having 30% air leakage. So that much money was, just, we were thinking that is in our pocket, but it was just, we were wasting that money. So we started, on that, and we came with a solution now, IoT solution, which can help, to reduce leakage. But not only leakage now, we are looking at, how can we increase the productivity, how we can reduce the carbon footprint, and how that can be beneficial for the reducing maintenance cost for the companies. So this is the solution. Emerson, basically we are automation company, and we have portfolio which goes into the intelligent devices. We have motion control, which is basically a walls, intelligent walls. Then we have machine control, where we have all controllers, PLCs and controllers, and then edge controllers. And then we have capability where we can give complete analytics. You can see in the picture, the flow sensors I have put there, and the edge computing also I have put there. So basically, this smart pneumatic monitor can help you for reducing, the energy cost. And basically, you don't require to look at individually, there, but the data will be, faced through the edge computer, and you will get the analytics where you are losing the compressed air in your plant. Then we have, instead of inspecting, normally, I'm seeing, air leakage, people try to go all over the plant. So with these sensors, we can exactly go where the problem is. We can make optimal parameters which can help you to increase productivity as well as save compressed air. So together, double benefit we get there. And also you will get, wherever the level goes beyond threshold, you will get your email or, the text message, so that the maintenance people can go ahead and do the maintenance activity. As earlier said by my prior speakers, this is like a building blocks. So you can have implementation for one machine, then you can, based on the benefit, you can put it for the multiple machines, and then you can have for the complete factory. So it is a scalable model for, I have given example of a compressed air, but this can be used for compressed air, this can be used for steam, this can be used for gases, what you used in the industry. This can be used for the electricity. So this can be extrapolated to the different applications in your factory. Yeah, so this is a very small sensor, and I am giving examples with this sensor, which can help you for the air leakage detection. It will tell you the consumption pattern. This pattern can change, and the change in the pattern can help you to understand whether we have problems with the users or problems with the system, problems with the equipment. All those the reports can help you to make your decisions there. Then energy optimization. So typically a machine suppose required 3 bar compressed air, whereas you are using 6 bar which is coming from the compressor. So that additional 3 bar compressed air is just wastage. Every stroke you are wasting that much energy. So that optimization can be done through these sensors, and also notification and alerts can be given wherever it is going beyond the thresholds. These are some of the examples which are very important when we are talking about this is not costing a lot, this technology is affordable. Some examples only can help you to understand that. So the first one is is a machine shop. They are basically a wall manufacturing company. It is in Chennai, this company. They use these flow sensors and edge gateway, and then we have helped them with the analytics. If you look at the total cost of that was 2,45,000 rupees, but per year saving for them is 1,65,000 rupees in this, just by the compressed air saving. So it is 1 point. Oh, that is for the complete plant. But when they started, for the one machine, it started with 2,45,000, and so payback is 1.5 years. I will give now several examples where the payback is between few months, like 3 to 4 months to 1.5 year. So any investment which is giving such kind of returns, and over and above you get the analytics which can help you for improving productivity and quality standards of your company, I think that will be really a great for you. This is a packaging line. It is one of the FMCG company, but here also you look at they invested per line 2,45,000 rupees, but in a year their saving was 4 lakh rupees. So it is just a 7 months ROI for the small block. Now this company has given us an order which is for the complete plant, which is 50 lakhs order, but it started with just 2,45,000 rupees. This is cigarette manufacturing company. It is India's largest cigarette manufacturing company. But even though this company is big, you look at one machine cost, what we have implemented this solution, 1,25,000. I think this can be, this can be possible for any MSME to invest. So, and then this can be extrapolated. So we are looking at their plant, that can be, implemented in every plant, they are having. This is a food and beverage company. It is basically a dairy company where we implemented, again, the same solution where a flow sensor and edge gateway, and then the analytics programming, for that. Again, for this one was for the complete plant we have done. So 9,50,000 rupees was the total one. But they saved in this around 14 lakhs. So there, if you look at the ROI for this project was 8 months. So this is very scalable. You can start somewhere, as Mr. Sundaram said, this can be, you start with small, you experience it, and then you can make it, for your plant. So we have a SCADA system which can start with a machine. We say it is Movicon Connect. Then you can have, the more intelligence to that, where you can get alert on your mobiles, which is known as Web HMI Movicon. And then for the complete plant, you can go with the Movicon Next, which is a complete SCADA system which can manage complete factory. We also have in these solutions which are custom built solutions, particularly for the energy saving. We have Pro Energy as a package. We have Pro Lean, where that can be used as a lean manufacturing package. So we have customized that, based on the customer's requirement. So just, for conclusion from my side, so IoT solutions can help MSMEs to reduce downtime, increase productivity, reduce maintenance cost. Reducing maintenance cost because it's a predictive maintenance. So whenever those components are reaching end of life, then only you can replace those components. Otherwise, you can run those components till end of life. IoT solutions are modular, so not like ERP systems. It can be easily expandable. IoT solutions are affordable. We have seen 4-5 examples where return on investment is between few months. So it is having a quick ROI. And very important point which I will touch now. See, I work for Emerson, and Emerson is having carbon net zero target as 2030. This is scope 1 carbon neutral we want to be by 2030. But 2040, we want scope 3, means all suppliers, all employees, whatever they are using energy, that should be carbon neutral. And that means, all our suppliers, they should start right now working for, the net zero. And this can be a big leap. IoT can give you a big leap. What Mr. Sundaram said, 10 years down the line, this one will be just a normal thing for you. But we have to start right now. So don't be, there should not be holding thing, any holding thing for that, because companies like us, IACC, are committed to support MSMEs. And definitely, anyone interested to know more, our plant is in Mahindra World City. We are open for anyone to visit. You can see some of those solutions there. I'm also having, for several examples. Those customers are also ready to show, their implementation. I'm ready to showcase, those cases to you. So you are welcome. Thank you very much for patiently listening. And thank you for, all government dignitaries here and IACC, because you guys brought us here. We are interested to help industry, and we are committed to help, industry. So thank you very much.